jealously guard the will of the people, protect the city, and ensure that it is developed or transformed in a manner that is in consonance with the will of the people, and it belongs to the people of Uganda. Whereby you have to fight against cartels who are marauding around and are all out to grab whatever they can access, and that has been the journey I have had in Kampala. It's been a journey of battles, it's been a journey of trials and tribulations, it's been a journey of fighting and guarding your property. So we have cartels, we have mafias who are all out to grab each and everything, starting with the public places like markets, public assets, markets, schools, public health hospitals, and these days drainage channels and roads. So it's incumbent upon all of us to marshal our efforts, to come together and fight this looting, fight the grabbing of our assets. That is the thrust of my mandate, and it's the thrust of my platform. This platform, which is encapsulated here in the 60-page platform or the Kampala agenda, which is here. I also highlighted the role we have played in planning for the city. There are quite a number of plans that we have come up with here. I've been so instrumental, I've been so central in all the planning processes, starting with the structure plan, which we are about to finish, the strategic plan, the one of 2021-2025, which unfortunately was not properly funded by Mr. Museveni, because the projection was we're supposed to get remittances from the central government up to the tune of 10 trillion. Unfortunately, by close of the planning period, that is June 2025, they had only remitted 3 trillion, which is less than 30%. And that greatly affected our performance at State Hall. But the plans are there. All the plans are there. So we managed to craft all these plans we highlighted here. All the plans you can see here. We have plans to do, I've talked about the structure plan. We have the education master plan. We have the solid waste management plan. We have the drainage master plan, which required only $220 million US within a period of 10 years to finish all these issues of fixing drainage channels and get rid of the floods in the city. Just 220 trillion. And Mr. Gentlemen, we are here. It's a great day for us. It's a great day for me as an individual. We have come a long way, and it's a great day for the people of Kampala who have entrusted me with their mandate for this period. And I'm here to renew my contract with the people of Kampala, the social contract, which I have honorably executed, religiously and jealously guarded. So I thank the people of Kampala for the trust they put in me, and I thank you, all of you, the supporters who have walked this journey with me up to this very moment. In this definitive phase we are entering, there are a number of things that we need to undertake, and on Tuesday, those who happen to have attended the launch of our platform, it's a 60-page platform agenda for Kampala. And we highlighted quite a number of interventions that we are going to undertake. But starting with the accountability for this period, we have been at State Hall, and we explained in detail what is it that we have done at State Hall. Police, we want to issue out a strong statement for the conduct they exhibited today, because they knew we had this program today. And the campaigns have started. So campaigns presuppose that we have to interact with the people. We have to move with the people. but they rudely interrupted our movement. We were very, very peaceful. They tear gassed us, they beat up my supporters, they harangued us along the way, and if some people were even picked and arrested, they were tortured, brutalized. So we cannot accept this. We condemn it in the strongest terms possible, and we insist that it's not going to be business as usual. We are going to make our way to interact and interface with the people. We are not going to allow this kind of curtailment being orchestrated by the police, which is illegal, because this is now a campaign period. Campaigns mean interacting with the people, and we are going to insist and reach out to the people. We are not going to be barricaded, we are not going to be blocked, we are not going to allow the police to behave in a manner they have conducted themselves with impunity. That brutality, mayhem must stop.
Freedom for all for freedom.
I mean, we've done that. Now this is a phase where we are going to emphasize implementation of these plans. The structure plan, the Kampala strategic, the strategic plan, the education master plan, the sanitation plan, drainage master plan, street lighting master plan, and all these plans which require serious intervention. We are going to assert ourselves to ensure that we pitch for funding, even if it means getting it from the development partners, because there are a number of development partners we have engaged on this, and they are willing to intervene and help us with the funding. So we are going to pursue it and ensure that we get adequate funding to do this. But